Hello guys, welcome back to my channel in English Academy. Guys, please like, share, follow, comment and subscribe the channel. Guys, if you have subscribed the channel, now we come on the topic the play The Merchant of Venice, which was written by the famous poet William Shakespeare. Guys, before discussing about the play The Merchant of Venice, we must know about a little introduction of the dramatist William Shakespeare. Guys, William Shakespeare was born in the year 1564, and that time Elizabeth I was Queen of England. Then Shakespeare was the son of tradesmen who made and sold globes in the small town of Stratford upon Avon. He was educated at grammar school in town. Guys, we know very little about William Shakespeare's life between 1585 and 1592. There are no documents that can tell us anything at all about Shakespeare. In fact, there is nothing exciting or even unusual in this story, but we have learned that in the year 1592, William Shakespeare was known in London and that he had become both an actor and a playwright. Guys, when Shakespeare retired from London to Stratford, his hometown, he was rich and successful, and he was the owner of one of the biggest houses in the town. He died in the year 1616. Guys, he also wrote the play The Merchant of Venice, which is a tragic comedy by William Shakespeare. It is believed to have been written between 1596 and 1598, though classified as a comedy in the first folio and sharing certain aspects with William Shakespeare's other romantic comedies. The play is perhaps most remembered for its dramatic scenes and is best known for Shylock and the famous Hath Not a Jew Eyes speech. There is also a notable is Portia's speech about the equality of mercy. Guys, now we will discuss about the main characters in this play and also discussed about the minor characters in the play The Merchant of Venice. So guys, come on the topic. Guys, the most important character in this play is Shylock, who was a Jewish moneylender in Venice, angered by his mistreatment at the hands of Venice Christians, particularly the merchant Antonio. Shylock seems to get revenge by ruthlessly demanding a pound of Antonio's flesh as penalty for Antonio's defaulting on a loan. The Christian characters in the play regard Shylock as an inhuman monster, frequently mocking him for being obsessed with money. In persons, however, Shylock comes across as far more than a caricature or stereotypes. His resentments at his mistreatments, his anger at his daughter's betrayal, and his eloquent expressions of rage make him a convincing, entirely human character. Guys, here we discuss about the main character of the play is Antonio, who is the hero of this play. The merchant, the merchant whose love for his friend Bassanio prompts him to sign Shylock contract and almost lose his life. Antonio is something of a merchant figure, often inexplicably melancholy, and as Shylock points out, possessed of a incorrigible dislike of Jews. Nonetheless, Antonio is beloved of his friends and proved merciful to Shylock, albeit with conditions. Next, we will discuss about the Next character Portia, who is the heroine of this play. Guys, Portia is an heiress of Belmont and a wealthy heiress from Belmont. Portia's beauty is matched only by her intelligence, bound by a clause in her father's will that forces her to marry whichever suitor chooses correctly among three cascades. Guys, Portia nonetheless longs to marry her true love Bassanio, far and away the cleverest of the plays. Character Portia disguises herself as a young male law clerk and attempts to save Antonio from Shylock's knife. Next character is Bassanio. Guys, Bassanio is Antonio's best friend and a gentleman of Venice. He was a gentleman of Venice and a kinsman and dear friend to Antonio. Bassanio's love for the wealthy Portia leads him to borrow money from Shylock with Antonio as his guarantor. An ineffectual businessman, Bassanio nonetheless proves himself a worthy shooter, correctly identifying the casket that contains Portia's portrait. Now we will discuss about the Graciano. Graciano is a friend of Bassanio, a very talkative, talkative and witty man. His garrulity is most striking trait. Lorenzo, he is a young man who somehow is successful in capturing the heart of Jessica, daughter of Shylock. Guys, Jessica is the daughter of Shylock. She is very beautiful, wise, and charming girl with a strong sense of humor and poetical nature. Nerissa, guys, she is the waiting maid of Portia, but more of a companion than a maid servant. Guys, minor characters in this play are Graciano, Solenio, Celerio, and Celerio, friends of Antonio and Bassanio. Balthazar, guys, Balthazar here in this play is a Portia's disguised as a lion. Stefano is a Nerissa's disguised as a Balthazar's law clerk. Tubal is a Jew, Shylock's friend. Lancelot Gobbo, a foolish man in the service of Shylock. Guys, Old Gobbo is the father of Lancelot. Leonardo is the servant of Bassanio. Duke of Venice, guys, here the Duke of Venice, Venetian authority who preside over the case of Shylock's bond. Prince of Morocco, he was the suitor to Portia. Prince of Aragon, he was the suitor to Portia. Magnifico of Venice, officer of the court of justice. Giola, servants to Portia and other attendants. Thanks so much.